Hi everyone, your friendly neighborhood Inko is here. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change color in Affinity Photo 2 on the iPad. Using these methods, I guarantee you it's gonna be fast and easy, so let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing we gotta do is to make a selection of the area that we wanted to change. In this case, I'm gonna change the t-shirt color of the girl. So we're gonna make a selection of the t-shirt, and to make a good selection, you can combine tools. Here I'm using the object selection tools combined with the brush selection tools, and you gotta make sure that the edges is neat so the change would blend naturally with the rest of the image. Alright, so we're done with the selection, and now we're gonna add fill layer by clicking the plus button over here and then select fill layer. Time to change the color by picking the whatever color we like using the color wheel over here. We got the color that we wanted to change, and we're gonna change the blend mode from normal to color. This skips the natural shadows and highlights, so it'll make the color more realistic. You can also duplicate the fill layers and then change it into different colors, and that will give you more options. And that's basically it. So that was the first method, using selections and fill layer. But there is another way to change color in Affinity Photo 2, and that's by using an HSL adjustment. With HSL, we basically targeting a specific color in our photo and change the color by adjusting the hue slider. Just like the previous method, what we're gonna do is to select the object, and we don't have to be precise as long as the targeted color is selected. So the reason why we need to make a selection is because, as you can see on this photo, there's not only the car that has orange color, and it's also, if you look at the wall, there's some orange color on it. So if you're adjusting the hue slider without selecting the object, it will affect the whole photo. After making a selection, now we can add the HSL adjustment by clicking the adjustment icon over here and then select HSL. And you're gonna see the color wheel over here and also a bunch of colors that are available. And now what you need to do is to select one of these color that is really close to the color that your object has. And then you can change the color by adjusting the hue slider over here. The downside of this method is that you can't change the specific color because you're basically shifting the existing color to a nearby spot on the color wheel. So if you want to change to a specific color, then this method won't get you there as precisely as the fill layer method does. Happy with the new color, and now you can rasterize it. And that's it. Two simple ways to change colors in Affinity Photo 2 on the iPad. The fill layer method is great when we want total control in any color we like, while HSL is perfect for quick experiments or fast edits. Honestly, it just depends on what your photo needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, drop a like and don't forget to stay awesome. I'll see you in the next one.